The 2025 Skoda Slavia marks a bold evolution for the Czech automaker, a stylish, performance-driven sedan that redefines value in the compact segment. With refined design elements, cutting-edge technology, and practical features, the new Slavia is ready to challenge expectations and set a new benchmark for entry-level sedans. From the very first glance, the 2025 Slavia turns heads. Its redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and sharper character lines give it a more aggressive stance, while chrome accents and aerodynamic sculpting add a touch of elegance. Sitting slightly lower and wider than its predecessor, the Slavia now embodies a sportier road presence that feels premium and confident. Under the hood, buyers can choose between two refined TSI petrol engines, a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbo and a more powerful 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo, both engineered for an ideal balance of performance and efficiency. With up to 150 horsepower and the option of a DSG automatic transmission, the Slavia offers a surprisingly engaging driving experience, whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the highway. Step inside, and the cabin reveals Skoda's commitment to comfort and technology. The interior is spacious, with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a layout that feels intuitive and driver-focused. A 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits proudly at the center, seamlessly integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, and a sunroof add an upscale touch to the overall driving experience. Safety is no afterthought either. The 2025 Slavia comes loaded with features like 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Higher variants even include a rear-view camera, cruise control, and automatic headlights. Impressive offerings for a car in this price bracket. But perhaps the most appealing part of the Slavia is its versatility. With one of the largest boot spaces in its class, over 500 liters, and Skoda's simply clever solutions like rear AC vents, a cooled glove box, and multiple storage options, the Slavia is perfect for families, professionals, and long-distance travelers alike. The 2025 Skoda Slavia isn't just a compact sedan, it's a statement. A testament to Skoda's ability to blend design, functionality, and value in a way that feels effortless. Whether you're upgrading from a hatchback or looking for a daily driver that punches above its weight, the Slavia is ready to exceed your expectations. So, if you're looking for a car that's practical, premium, and built for the roads ahead, the 2025 Skoda Slavia might just be the perfect fit.